going on YouTube? This is a quick little intro of basically what the video is going to be over. I'm going to be bouncing around from getting my first couple of layers on the bondo, where I'm at on sanding, and also I'm going to get in finishing up these fenders. I need to finish fiberglassing the ends of them and start bondoing that, but that'll probably be a different video. Right now I'm going to get the inside layer to my side skirts, that's what's keeping me from starting on the side skirts, bondoing it. On the outside it looks decent, but the inside, whenever I mock it up, it does not fit the body lines. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to make the inside layer exactly to where it fits the body lines on the side skirt, so it fits flush. I'm gonna go ahead and get that fiberglass layer started. It takes a while to dry for the fiberglass and for the bondo, so that's kind of what's keeping me from making a lot of progress. I know it's been a while since my last upload. Been pretty busy. Making these YouTube videos, it helps a lot with me trying to get what I need to get done, along with making progress on the car. I got my front one fiberglass. I still need to trim it. There's a little bit of bondo still under it. I need to take it off, but right now I cracked it when I was trying to take it off, so I'm fixing the cracks. I fixed this part for now. I need to go over it with more fiberglass. I re-fiberglassed this side. Well, I'm just mocking this one up right now. I fiberglassed this. I added the top layer. Fiberglassed the lip on there. That's what it's looking like right now. Same thing here. It's not the best, but it's gonna be covered up anyways. started on the second layer. This is the second layer as well. Still need to add some where the dark spots are at. It's really hard for me right now to get in these crevices right here. But, I need to add some up here. But for the most part, I mean, it's coming out pretty smooth. I need to add some here, here. I need to go ahead and finish this. I need that to just slope down. And then obviously I need to add a whole bunch up here. I haven't sanded this really. Just working on this main part. Starting to look good though. Let's start sanding this. Alright, a few passes, and you can tell that, you know, starting to smooth out. It did look like the bottom stuff, the green, it's real rough. When it gets caked on there, it's hard to get it off, to smooth it out. So I like to keep using this as long as I can, and then especially go over the stuff I haven't gone over to get it smooth. Then once I get it smooth, then I switch it out to a brand new one, and it's just like butter. But I mean, you can tell all these green spots right here, these are my low spots. I have to keep adding there, and up here I can tell that there's a big dip right here. But you know, I gotta just keep sanding. I didn't really get this because this wasn't in the video. I was just not taking. All right. Yeah. It's a lot more of that. 180 grit. This is the second pass of 180 grit. I'm gonna layer that bottom piece with more. Let it dry. Start sanding again tomorrow. But yeah, this stuff, man. Definitely a lot of determination and motivation. Alright, well that's going to do it on the process. You know, if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.